Have you ever considered that the most powerful natural healer might already be sitting in your glass? Yes, I'm talking about water. The simplest, cheapest, and yet most powerful natural medicine on earth. We often take it for granted. But water is not only the foundation of life, it is also a natural remedy for countless health problems that affect millions of people every day. From headaches to high blood pressure, from skin issues to stress and even weight gain, water works quietly yet powerfully to keep us healthy. Let us explore how something as simple as drinking enough water can solve 10 of the most common health issues without the need for expensive medicines, complicated treatments, or harmful side effects. The first and perhaps most overlooked problem is headaches and migraines. Did you know that one of the leading hidden causes of these painful episodes is dehydration? When your body lacks fluids, the brain temporarily contracts or pulls away from the skull, leading to pain. Research published in the European Journal of Neurology shows that people who increased their water intake experienced fewer headaches and less intensity compared to those who stayed dehydrated. So, before reaching for painkillers, try drinking a large glass of water. Your body and brain will thank you. Similarly, constipation is another problem, silently suffered by millions worldwide, yet its solution could not be simpler. Adequate hydration softens stools, supports digestion, and helps waste pass easily through the intestines. Drinking warm water in the morning on an empty stomach acts as a natural stimulant for the digestive system and is considered nature's own laxative, quick, effective, and free from any side effects. Another shocking health issue that water can help with is high blood pressure. When your body is dehydrated, your blood thickens, making it harder for your heart to pump. This strain raises blood pressure, putting you at risk of cardiovascular issues. Proper hydration thins the blood, improves circulation, and helps the heart work more efficiently. In fact, some doctors even recommend a simple practice called water therapy, where patients drink 4 to 5 glasses of water first thing in the morning to stabilize blood pressure over time. Acid reflux and indigestion are other conditions that water can calm down. That uncomfortable burning sensation after meals is often caused by excess stomach acid, and sipping warm water slowly can help dilute and neutralize it. Not only does water push food smoothly through the digestive tract, but it also supports the breakdown of nutrients, allowing your body to absorb them more efficiently. Many people who regularly suffer from indigestion have reported that just adjusting their water drinking habits brought them lasting relief. And what about immunity? Your body's defense system relies heavily on water, because hydration ensures that your lymphatic system, which transports white blood cells to fight infections, flows properly. Without enough water, this immune highway slows down, making you more prone to illness. Studies published in Frontiers in Immunology confirm that people who stay properly hydrated are less likely to catch infections compared to those who don't drink enough water. Drinking warm water in the morning also flushes toxins, giving your immune system a cleaner, stronger foundation. Now let's talk about something almost everyone cares about: skin health. Acne, dryness, dullness, premature aging, all of these conditions are worsened by dehydration. Expensive creams and treatments might offer temporary results, but true skin healing begins inside the body. Water hydrates skin cells, improves elasticity, and flushes out toxins that cause breakouts. Cold water washes can also reduce inflammation and tighten pores, making your skin look fresher. People who start drinking more water consistently often notice brighter, healthier, and younger-looking skin within just a few weeks. What's even more surprising is how water affects your mental health. Dehydration increases levels of cortisol, the hormone responsible for stress and anxiety. Studies show that even a small drop in hydration levels, as little as 1 to 2%, can trigger tension, irritability, and poor concentration. Something as simple as drinking enough water throughout the day can keep your mood stable and your mind clear. In addition, splashing cold water on your face activates the vagus nerve, which calms the nervous system almost instantly. So next time you feel overwhelmed, don't underestimate the power of water to restore calmness. Weight management is another area where water can be a game changer. Drinking water before meals increases satiety, helping you eat less without feeling deprived. Research published in the Obesity Journal found that people who drank 2 glasses of water before meals lost 44% more weight than those who didn't. Cold water can even help burn calories because the body uses energy to warm it to normal temperature, an effortless way to boost your metabolism. When it comes to joint pain and muscle cramps, water again proves to be essential. Your joints are cushioned by cartilage that contains a high percentage of water, and dehydration reduces this lubrication, leading to stiffness and discomfort. Muscles also require water for proper contraction and relaxation, and a lack of hydration often causes painful cramps. Drinking enough water keeps joints flexible, reduces arthritis pain, and accelerates muscle recovery after exercise. Even warm water baths provide relief from soreness, stiffness, and inflammation. Another hidden effect of dehydration is fatigue and low energy. Many people blame lack of sleep or heavy workloads for their constant tiredness, But even mild dehydration can leave you feeling drained, foggy, and unproductive. That's because water is crucial for your cells to generate energy. By simply drinking enough water consistently throughout the day, you'll notice a remarkable boost in energy, mental clarity, and overall vitality without needing coffee, tea, or energy drinks. So how exactly should you use water as medicine? The rules are simple, yet powerful. Drink 8 to 10 glasses daily, but also pay attention to your body's natural thirst cues. Begin your morning with 2 glasses of warm water to flush toxins from your system. Drink water about 30 minutes before meals to support digestion without diluting stomach acid. Use cold water compresses or splashes to reduce headaches and stress instantly. And don't forget the soothing effect of warm water baths, which can relax muscles, improve circulation, and ease joint stiffness. The truth is, water is not just a simple liquid, it is the most underrated healer in the world. It detoxifies, energizes, strengthens, and rejuvenates the body in ways most people overlook. Before spending money on pills, supplements, or expensive treatments, ask yourself if you're giving your body the most basic, natural cure it craves: pure, clean water. The next time someone asks for a miracle remedy, remind them that sometimes miracles are not complicated at all. Sometimes, they are as simple as drinking a glass of water. Nature's ultimate medicine.